Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add a QR code to a fillable PDF form using Foxit PDF Editor. This is a fillable PDF form and I'll insert here QR code. Now select this form option and here you will find this QR code or barcode option, barcode field. Click here. Now drag your mouse cursor, insert your barcode. Now press right button and select properties dialog box, and properties dialog box go option menu, and this symbology option, and this is QR code option. Select this one, and this is QR code now added, and this value option, and you can include file name and speak option. You can add or remove any field if you want, and select OK, and this is it. Now select close and see this. QR barcode now added, and finally say this file option, save or save as in fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.